Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. First day of November, starting out with some unseasonably warm temperatures in store for us today. You'll see those high temperatures even warmer than what we saw across the region yesterday. Looking at our conditions for yesterday across the region, Norfolk coming in with a daytime high of 73 degrees. We hit 70 degrees here at Wallops. Everybody else in the mid 60s to lower 70s throughout the area. Coolest reporting station was at Ocean City at 65 degrees. Overnight last night, low temperatures generally running in the 50s. We saw 50 degrees, the cool spot at Baltimore, 57 degrees here at Wallops. No measurable precipitation over the last 24 hours, and as of 9 a.m. we see mostly sunny skies across the region. High pressure still in control of our weather for one more day, as we'll see that dry weather continuing today before rain showers potentially impact the region tomorrow. Looking at our upper level wind data from this morning's balloon release, those winds generally out of a west-southwest direction from the lower levels of the atmosphere all the way up to 25,000 feet, where we see the 1,000-foot level reporting winds at 37 knots. A bit higher as you go up to the 25,000-foot level, but pretty gradual increase, only up to 46 knots at 25,000 feet. At freezing level this morning at 12,600 feet. Looking at our satellite radar composite, no precipitation to be concerned with as of this morning, and we're going to continue to see really no precipitation in our general area until we get into the early morning hours of Friday. But for today, we'll see some high-level cirrus cloudiness begin to increase as we go into the afternoon, so we'll likely see more sunshine this morning than what we will in the afternoon hours today. Looking ahead here at our current surface analysis, you can see a pretty strong storm system bringing some showers and thunderstorms, even a few isolated tornadoes to the deep south over the last 24 hours. You can see a lot of that heavy rain and thunderstorm activity stretching into Louisiana and into Alabama this morning and on up through the states of Tennessee and Kentucky. You're seeing the rain showers along that frontal boundary that will be pushing toward the East Coast as we go through the later portion of today, and especially on Friday, where we'll start to see a few showers, maybe even a thunderstorm here as well. I want to take a look here at our short-range high-resolution model and show you the activity that we are expecting on Friday. You can see here by tomorrow morning, pausing the model frame at 5 a.m., we are going to see the potential of some showers as early as 5 a.m. in the morning here at Wallops, and even the potential for an embedded thunderstorm or two. The chances will be very slight in the morning of any kind of thunderstorm activity, probably about 10%. Then as we go into the afternoon, we'll start to see those showers break up a bit and move off the coast before another round of showers starts to impact the region again late Friday evening into the overnight period, where we'll see our best chance for some heavy showers and maybe even a thunderstorm or two late Friday night. Probably around midnight will be our best chance to get some of those showers and thunderstorms as we go into the wee hours of the morning on Saturday. Looking ahead at our forecast maps here for the next couple of days, you can see frontal boundaries still well off to our west during the day today. As we go into the evening hours tonight, we'll see that warm front still north of our region and that south to southwesterly flow out ahead of that front, giving us some breezy conditions this afternoon and continuing into the overnight hours tonight, where we'll potentially see those winds gusting up to around 25 knots even during the overnight period. By early tomorrow morning, you can see here those are those showers that we talked about earlier, potentially in here by about 5 a.m. in the morning for Friday. Then we'll likely see a little bit of a break in the action during the late morning and afternoon hours before we get another round of precipitation, which will bring the chance of some heavier, more significant showers and thunderstorms late Friday night as that frontal boundary crosses the region. Looking ahead to the day on Saturday, you can see by Saturday afternoon and into the evening hours, that front well off the coast at that point. We'll likely see rain showers coming to an end by the mid-morning period on Saturday, maybe even as early as 8 or 9 o'clock in the morning, where we'll see those showers shift off the coast, and we'll see some rapidly decreasing cloudiness as well as that front moves off the coast Saturday morning. We'll likely see mostly sunny skies during the day on Saturday as that high pressure builds in quickly by Saturday evening. With that building high and the exiting frontal boundary, we'll see winds pretty gusty, especially for the first part of the day on Saturday, and then start to see those winds die as we go into the late period of Saturday and into the evening hours as that high pressure builds over our area. For the next 24 hours, we are going to see some hazardous conditions here, with the winds gusting potentially up to around 25 knots at times, especially during the afternoon today. Warm conditions as those southwesterly breezes really bring in that warm air mass here. Looking at a daytime high of about 74 degrees, so that's about 10 degrees above normal for this time of year. Overnight tonight, we'll see those breezy conditions continuing. Warm temperatures only getting down to around 67 degrees, and we'll see those showers potentially in here as early as around 3 a.m. with the chance for a few rain showers and maybe even a thunderstorm in the morning hours. Again, those chances are pretty light for the morning hours of Friday, a much better chance as we get into the late hours of Friday evening as that frontal boundary crosses the area. So as we look ahead to Friday and Saturday, we'll see another mild day on Friday ahead of that front, getting up to 72 degrees. We'll see breezy conditions out ahead of that front, those southwesterly winds potentially gusting up to 25 knots at times, and then again, better chance in the morning than what we'll see in the late morning and afternoon hours, and then a much better chance of seeing some precipitation in here Friday night when that cold front actually crosses the region. Could see a embedded thunderstorm or two with those showers and that frontal boundary Friday night. See a low of 58 as that front moves through, and we see the temperatures beginning to fall by Saturday morning. And then for Saturday's high, looking at a high of 64, that'll likely happen in the morning hours of Saturday before we see temperatures slowly start to fall off a bit during the afternoon as that high pressure builds in behind that cold front. So taking a look here at our next 7 days, we're going to see again those unseasonably warm conditions continue through Friday, with the best chance for showers and thunderstorms for Friday occurring in the morning and then again at night for the overnight period where we see that frontal boundary crossing the area. Saturday morning could still see a few lingering showers by 8 a.m., but things should clear out pretty quickly. We'll see those temperatures in the low to mid 60s during the morning and possibly falling to around 60 degrees during the afternoon as that cold front moves off the coast. Sunday we'll see a high temperature of 61 degrees, and then we'll see another chance for some showers looking pretty likely for Monday as an area of low pressure develops and moves up the east coast pretty quickly, giving us those chances of showers. And then for Tuesday and Wednesday, a little uncertain about the timing right now, but it does look like we'll have another frontal boundary that will act to clear out the system that moves through Monday and bring us another round of showers, probably during the morning hours of Wednesday, but we'll be able to fine-tune that timing a little bit better as we go through the next few days. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 8:15 and at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.